What's going on? Daniel here from Signature Performance Tire and Wheel and DooleyWheels.com. If you can't tell, it's pretty bright here in Southern California. And if you're not distracted by me squinting at the sun, you're probably distracted at John's 2026 F450 right here behind me. Really stoked to shoot this truck for you. To get a big build in here and be able to take the time to show you guys is really exciting. Thank you, John, for trusting us. John is about 3 hours north here in Southern California. Brought the truck in on a Saturday, dropped it off, and now is sending a tow truck to get it home. So if you want to get your truck here, there's all kinds of ways to do it. Again, thanks, John. This truck right here is our most popular truck that we touch in the dually world, is the F450. Okay, why? These trucks come with 19.5-inch wheels and really commercial tires, which are fantastic for towing, but they are terrible for an LT truck driving down the road. Absolutely terrible. So if you're not wanting to lift your truck, we got plenty of other videos to help you with wheel and tire fitment. If you're looking for a leveling kit or like a 3-inch lift, you want to know what that looks like, we can dive into John's truck. So John was very specific on which wheel he wanted. This right here is the KG1 Jacked D. Now this finish is the all gloss black. These are a fully forged wheel. It's a 24-inch in diameter, 8 1/4 wide. Again, all gloss black. Now these wheels are available in milled as well, so if you're looking for some silver finish, John chose the spike upgrade. When you order these wheels from us, you have the option to do these large spikes, or we also have the bullet, which is something really short. So you got both options. They will come with a black cap to come with them, but KG1 does have an upgrade that John chose. So we went the extra mile, did all this custom paint on the cap. This is normally milled, and it's a floater. Check that out. Super sweet. So as far as load capacity goes and getting the right tire size, obviously he picked the wheel. We need to talk about suspension to figure out how he got this 36.5-inch tall tire in here. So what we did is we did a 2.5-inch ready lift suspension. That's going to come with a replacement coil spring. It's going to come with a track bar bracket, bump stop extensions, and all the miscellaneous hardware that you're going to need. Also, while you're under there, you're going to notice a Fox dual steering stabilizer. So we use a PMF dual steering stabilizer bracket along with the matching Fox 2.0 shocks to go there. And then the shocks on this kit, the Ready Lift has their option of the shock bracket. We upgraded and did the Fox 2.5. That is the non-reservoir. This is their newest model shock. If you have a big heavy truck, I suggest you really look at these 2.5s over the 2.0s. They drive really nice. And the last piece, if you take a look at the radius arm, see that little bracket running vertical here. So this truck comes outfitted with auto headlight adjusters in the front, and all suspension kits do not include that bracket. So when you go to order your suspension, make sure you just take a quick look under your truck there to see if you have that bracket. So now that we've accomplished 2.5 inches of lift in the front, it was next to talk about tire size. Now, 24-inch tire sizes are tough, right? A lot of guys are going 35, 1250, 24s. I really want you to take a minute when you're ordering tires and understand the education. It's not that it's just F-rated or 80 PSI, because there's a very popular 35, 1250, 24 that only has like 2,800 pounds of load capacity. So you'll get your tire pressure light off, but you are going to lose some load capacity. John didn't want to do that. We're happy you didn't. We wanted to get him into the right thing. So the right choice is a 315 50R24. This is the Nitto Ridge Grappler. We do have this size available in a couple different model tires if you want something different. The Ridge Grappler is our #1 seller. It's what I run on my personal vehicle. Why is it our #1 seller? It is extremely quiet, but it gives the aggressive look you're looking for, along with 80 PSI and 3,650 pounds of load capacity per tire. So it's the 12-ply tire. Okay, so you're going to get all your load capacity back on that as well. Now, going out back, We didn't do anything suspension wise here in the back to lift it. You can tell the truck sits pretty dang level front to back, right? But when you do that, when you level these dualies, just remember that the truck comes with a rake from the factory, meaning the front sits a little bit low. So the purpose of that is for when you're towing. So if you level the front of your truck, you are going to lose some drivability when you load down the back. What does that mean? How can I explain that to you? Well, if you're driving down a road and you have the back end loaded and you hit a bump, the front of the truck's going to feel very loose and very scary is the easiest way to describe it. So what we do to solve that problem is we add airbags out back. Your truck may be capable of carrying the load capacity, but as soon as you make a suspension modification, this is something you should seriously think about. So what we did is we did our ReadyLift Logiq Air IQ airbags. It's a dual airbag system, so it has 2 bags per side. Our technicians definitely love installing these, and if you're installing these in your driveway, you will as well. They come completely assembled. They're the only airbag on the market that comes completely assembled. We also ran it to an onboard air compressor as well. So this truck is dialed in top to bottom. This is what I would call our meat and potatoes build with 1 notch up, right? You got those Fox 2.5 shocks for the maximum ride capability. He did not cheap out on the wheel, right? You got a KG1 Ford, top of the line, right? Nitto tires. So really happy with the way this truck came out. We will have some more pictures up on the site if you want to go check this out. If you want to build one of these builds yourself, please give us a call. You can give us a call at 888-505-0987, or as always, head to duallywheels.com. We'll talk to you guys soon.